Just got this in from Amazon. I purchased it because it was a really windy day the other day here in New York City, and I opened up my car door and the wind just took the door, and I was able to grab it in time before I struck another car. So I was trying to align it to see, get an idea of what area would have struck the other car. And I think it was the middle area. And I think that if I had had one of these, I might have not worried too much. One of these bumper cars, bumper door guards. And I'm gonna try them out on my car. This is the packaging. Oh, it's a stick-on. I thought it would, not real big on the stick-ons. I was hoping that it would slide in. I think it does slide in, as you can see there. That's what I was hoping for. So maybe the stick is just to hold it in place. These stickers, you know, you take it upon your own risk. They usually don't leave residue when you need to remove them. A lot of times you lose these. They fall off the car eventually. But I'm hoping that they will, you know, let me open it up. I'm not going to remove that yet. They will last long enough to safeguard any accidental wind gust or maybe kids just swinging the door open, not looking. That happens too. So let me just show you what the pictures show. Looks like it slides in. I'll look at the product and get an idea. And I bought clear. I don't want it to stand out too much. Back in the day, like in the 80s, I used to put the silver trim. I don't know if you did the same thing. That used to safeguard the edges. That way the cars wouldn't get those bumps and those rust marks from dents that you would receive from people slamming into your door slamming into other doors. So it does go in, which I like very much. They have other ones that just stick on. Those definitely eventually fall off because of the rain and the rubbing against it. Few times these have caught on to people's clothing and people take it with them. I've never seen this one. It seems pretty smooth. Doesn't look like that's gonna be an issue once I slide it in. Hopefully not. Okay, so that's the sticky thing. And let me take a measurement. I like it. It's nice and clear. It feels really strong. Hollow in here. This is for the back doors, right? I believe that's for the back doors. Yeah, I think the front doors are the large ones. I don't know why I know that. It might be the website. It's hollow here, but it's firm plastic. And this is the front. This will go in the front driver and passenger side. And these will be for the rear door. I have a 4-door SUV. Let's get some measurements. It's about 5.5, a little over 5.5, 5 3/4. The long one, and then the short ones are going to be about 3 inches total. I'm gonna bring them to my car and we'll put them on together. I'll show you how they look afterwards. Is it clean already? Mm-hmm. All right, let me get I guess I can get a wipe just to dry it. And can you get a piece of tissue paper from the front? Over there on the other side. Be careful. So I'm lining it up with actually this here, the door, like that, and that's where I'm going to place it. And that should be good enough. I'm going to peel the stickers and put it on. Pretty easy to put on, and I'll show you how it looks. The small one is going to go there in the corner. And did you clean that? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm going to put it there too. That lines up also with that, with the locking, whatever that hook thing is called. So I peeled the 3M stickers. Hopefully it doesn't leave a residue. My wife is concerned about it. So am I. But I'm hoping for the best. Again, you do this at your own risk. I am not an expert, and it shouldn't do anything wrong, but I can't confirm it. And hopefully they stay on. Sadly, this is going to turn out to be a do not buy. It's just not sticking. There's absolutely like no glue residue. It's not sticking at all. It doesn't, the space in between here is too wide, and it's just not staying put at all. Nothing. I close it. Looks fine, but it should give me some resistance. It's just not sticking at all. And what happens, people will walk by, and this used to happen to my other ones, fall right off. Yeah, this is going back. The glue is not gluey enough. Would that be the proper term? It's just not of good quality. Not for me. I like the outside, don't get me wrong, and I don't want to add more glue. It is a nice looking, but I'm gonna have to get another, probably one that will hug the edge, clamp to be closer together to cause more of a locking type of thing. I've had issues in the past with ones I bought that fell off. People would rub by the car and it would come right off, and I'd look a day or two later and half of them are missing. All right, this is a do not buy for me. Okay, my opinion, maybe you'll have better luck, but for me it didn't work out. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Like and subscribe. Bye now.
Bye.